Welcome to my minimalist and productive home office setup for 2025. Simple design, smarter workflow. Home office setup tour, 2025. Minimal and productive design. Welcome. Today is October 31st, 2025. I want to show you my home office setup. This is a tour of my minimalist workspace for 2025. I believe a clean and calm space is essential. It helps you work better. It helps you think more clearly. This room is designed to be simple. It is bright and uncluttered. It is a space built specifically for focus and deep work. When you remove the distractions, you allow your best self to show up. This environment is not just about looking good, it is about feeling good while you create. We are going to walk through each area slowly. I will show you the desk. I will show you the chair. I will show you the tech. I will explain why I chose each item. The goal is to create a space that serves you, not the other way around. Every object in this room has a purpose. It either helps my workflow, it brings me a sense of calm. There is no room for clutter. There is no room for things that do not add value. This philosophy of less but better is the core of my productivity system. This space is the result of years of refinement. I have tried many different setups. I have tested countless gadgets. I have tested pieces of furniture. What I am showing you today is what works for me. It is a system that supports sustained focus and creativity. It is a quiet sanctuary in a noisy world. The design is intentional. The layout is thoughtful. It all comes together to create an atmosphere where I can do my most important work without friction or distraction. It is a testament to the power of simplicity. My hope is that this tour gives you some ideas. You do not need to copy this setup exactly. The principles are what matter. Think about what you truly need. Think about what helps you focus. Think about how your environment affects your mood. Think about how your environment affects your output. This tour is about inspiring you to be more intentional with your own workspace. A few small changes can make a huge difference in how you feel. A few small changes can make a huge difference in how you perform each day. Let's begin the journey into this clean, productive space. Now let's look at the digital heart of this office. On the desk, I have one large, ultra-wide monitor. The screen is high resolution and color accurate. It provides a crisp, clear picture that is easy on the eyes. Using one large monitor instead of two smaller ones helps reduce visual clutter and keeps the setup clean. The monitor is mounted on a fully articulating arm. This is a key detail. The arm lifts the monitor off the desk, freeing up valuable space underneath. It also allows me to position the screen at the perfect height and distance, which is essential for good ergonomics. My primary computer is a small, powerful laptop. The laptop itself is light and portable, but when I am at my desk, it acts as the brain for this entire setup. It connects to the monitor power and all my peripherals with a single USB-C cable. This one cable solution is a game changer for keeping things tidy. I use a small, hidden dock mounted under the desk. The dock has all the ports I need: power delivery, video output, USB ports for my drives, and an audio jack. This way I can dock and undock my laptop in seconds, a seamless transition from mobile to desktop work. For my keyboard, I choose a wireless model. For my mouse, I choose a wireless model. The keyboard has a low profile and soft, quiet keys. The typing experience is comfortable and does not create distracting noise. The mouse is ergonomic and fits naturally in my hand, reducing wrist strain during long hours of use. Going wireless eliminates two more cables from the desktop, contributing to the clean aesthetic. Lighting plays a huge role in the mood and functionality of this room. It is something people often overlook, but it can dramatically affect your energy and focus. My lighting strategy has two main components: soft, ambient light, bright, focused task light. The main overhead light in the room is a smart fixture that produces a soft, warm glow. I can control its brightness and temperature from my phone. This ambient lighting fills the room and prevents the harsh contrast that can lead to eye strain. It sets a calm and welcoming tone for the entire space. For focused work, I use a dedicated task lamp on my desk. The lamp has a sleek, minimal design, long adjustable arm position over keyboard or any papers I am reading. This lamp is bright, but not harsh. It has an adjustable dimmer and color temperature control. During the day, I set it to a cool, white light that mimics daylight. This helps keep me alert and focused. In the evening, as I wind down, I switch it to a warmer, softer tone. This helps signal to my brain that the workday is ending and it is time to relax. Now let's talk about something that can quickly destroy a minimalist setup: cables. Cable management is not the most glamorous topic, but it is absolutely critical for a clean and focused workspace. My approach is simple: hide everything you can. I use a large cable management tray that is mounted directly to the underside of my desk. This tray is a simple metal basket. It is large enough to hold a power strip, all of the power bricks for my devices, and any excess cable length. This one accessory does most of the heavy lifting. Once the main power strip and bricks are in the tray, I group the wires together. I use simple, reusable Velcro ties to bundle cables that are running in the same direction. For example, the power cord for my monitor, the cable for my lamp are tied together. This prevents a tangled mess of individual wires, often called a cable spaghetti. I also use adhesive cable clips under the desk to guide wires along a clean path. This ensures that no cables are dangling or visible from a normal seating position. The only cable you see is the single one connecting to my laptop. For charging my smaller devices like my phone headphones, I use a dedicated charging station. This is a small box that sits on a shelf away from the main desk. The box has internal dividers and holds several small chargers. The cables are routed through small holes, so only the very end of each cable is visible. This simple solution prevents a pile of tangled charging cords from cluttering up my workspace. It creates a single, organized spot for all my charging needs, keeping the main desk clear and ready for work. Good cable management is about more than just aesthetics. A tidy setup is easier to clean. It is also safer, as it reduces tripping hazards and prevents cables from getting damaged. When you need to unplug a specific device, it is much easier to find the right cable if everything is labeled and organized. I use small, simple labels on each power plug. Taking an hour to properly manage your cables is an investment that pays off every single day. It removes a significant source of visual clutter, which in turn helps to reduce mental clutter and increase your ability to focus. Even in a minimalist office, you need a place for things. My storage philosophy is simple and smart. I use a small 2-drawer filing cabinet that slides neatly under my desk. It is low profile and has a clean white finish that matches the desk. One drawer is for essential papers and documents. I use slim folders to keep them organized. The other drawer is for tech accessories, spare cables, hard drives, and other small gadgets. By keeping these items tucked away, I maintain a clean line of sight and an uncluttered work surface. Out of sight, out of mind. Good ergonomics are non-negotiable for anyone who spends a lot of time at a desk. It is easy to set up correctly, and it makes a world of difference. The first step is to set your monitor at the right height. The top of your screen should be at or slightly below eye level. This prevents you from craning your neck up or down. Next, adjust your chair so your keyboard is at elbow height. Your arms should form a roughly 90-degree angle when you type. Your feet should be flat on the floor. Your chair should provide firm support for your lower back. It is also important to remember to move. Even with the perfect setup, sitting for hours on end is not healthy. I follow a simple rule: take a short break every hour. I use a timer to remind me. Stand up, stretch, walk around for 2 or 3 minutes. Prevent stiffness, improve circulation, give your eyes a rest from the screen. Movement is a key part of the ergonomic equation. Build short breaks into your daily routine. To maintain the clean state of my desk, I follow 3 simple rules. Rule 1, keep only 2 essential items on the desk surface at all times, besides the monitor and peripherals. Notebook, pen. Rule 2, allow only 1 personal item on the desk, small plant. Rule 3, spend 5 minutes tidying up at the end of each day. Wipe down the surface, put the notebook away, make sure everything is ready for the next morning. This room is more than just a place to work. It is a space for rest. It is for thinking. It is for generating ideas. It is designed to be calm, clear, and intentional. By stripping away the non-essentials, I have created an environment that helps me focus deeply and create meaningful work. I hope this tour has shown you that you can build a space like this too. You do not need to spend a lot of money or have a huge room. It starts with simple steps and intentional choices. Pick a few good tools that you love to use. Remove everything else. A clean desk truly helps create a clear mind. The connection between your external environment and your internal state is powerful. If you feel overwhelmed or distracted, start small. Change one thing in your workspace today. You could raise your monitor to the correct height. You could add a plant. You could add a nice lamp. You could spend 10 minutes cleaning out one drawer. These small, incremental steps make a big difference over time. The journey to a better workspace is a marathon, not a sprint. A clean workspace creates a clear mind. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video for more smart tech and setup ideas every week.